Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to be a little short video on the red dot in the common shapes. If you don't know where the common shapes are, they're underneath your polygon tool, common shapes. And I just did one because somebody couldn't figure out where the red dot was. Well, if you grab your shape tool and you click on your item, grab the shape tool and click on your item, there's your red dot. This would be very useful because you could make that shape, that shape, that shape, make it wider, make it whatever you want. Same thing on here, it symmetrically changes your line. The happy face, the red dot's right in the middle, move it up and you got an unhappy face. The only one I've saw so far that doesn't have a red dot is the heart, because I guess it's just one facet. So let's grab one more and see what it does. We did one on the arrow. Let's do one on the lightning bolt. Let me get down the screen a little bit. Holding down the control button to make it perfect. Grab the shape tool. Okay, the lightning bolt doesn't have one, but we can do what we did in the other video if that's too thin or too thick. Of course, you can always squeeze it, but you could change that a little bit. We can go up to object, convert it to a curve, and then you've got nodes. And we've got our nudge factor still set on like 1 inch. So you could go 3 clicks to the right, 3 clicks to the left, 3 clicks to the right, 3 clicks to the left, 3 clicks to the right, and have a more aggressive lightning bolt. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.